Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about tools for social media marketing. Now, there are actually many tools, and for various aspects of social media. Now, it is not really possible to do one video on tools, so I thought I'll do it in a few parts. So today is part one. Today I'm going to talk about three areas which you need to be mindful of in social media, for which you would need certain tools. So I'll talk about those three areas and tools that are most ideal for you for social media monitoring or marketing, whatever you call it. So let me share my slides and let's dive in. Before that, please subscribe to my channel, please like my videos, and please share my videos with your colleagues and friends and fellow YouTubers, those who are interested in promoting their brand on social media. So let's talk about it. So there you go, guys. So the first one is actually about managing the platform. So chances are that you could be on multiple social media platforms, and obviously it is not very easy to manage all the platforms from different identification logins. So you need to have a platform that can pretty much allow you to schedule posts onto multiple social media channels. Now, obviously, there is a free version and there's a paid version. In free version, there are restrictions. So if you look at Buffer, Hootsuite, and Lately, they all have both the versions. So the free version will allow you to schedule posts up to about 3 or 5 at a time. The moment you go into pro or paid options, obviously you will be able to schedule as much as you want, and you can pretty much do it for one whole day or maybe a couple of days, sometimes even for a week. So that's the first advantage. The second advantage is that most of them are AI powered. They run on AI powered algorithms. So which means that, let's say if you're a content creator and you're looking for certain genres, certain categories of content from around on the internet, you can put in a link or a query, and that will fetch all that is relevant to you or to your search, and you can very quickly use that content for your probably next blog post or probably for your next YouTube channel. So you can do all of that. And also you can use the AI algorithms to look for, content posting, how that will probably perform on certain platforms, or has performed in the past on certain platform, that's on Twitter. What are the hashtags there on Twitter? Has that really worked for previous content producers? Or you can even look at the performances of certain posts or certain content that you may want to talk about or write on your blog or produce videos on YouTube. The other thing that it also allows the platforms, platforms like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Lately allow is to track the click-throughs on your posts. So essentially, it gives you the analytics, how much time to spend on it, where the clicks coming from, where the traffic coming from, and all of that. Plus, of course, they offer the general services, which are also offered to the free version. Those are the URL shorteners, the media management, so your videos and your your images and all of that. And lastly, which is most important, is that it really allows you for a better utilization of your time, and hence you can manage your, let's say you're using your social media for your business, so you can manage your business better, or you could probably do your own work, or if you for your day jobs and whatever else that you're doing. So that's managing the social platforms. The second part is the ranking and analytics. Now, obviously, for let's say YouTube does show you insights and analytics, but you could use YouTube Buddy. Sorry, TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a great tool, and that even TubeBuddy has a free version and a paid version. So it really allows you to fetch keywords that are performing well, or keyword phrases that are performing well on the YouTube network. You must understand the keywords and keyword phrases are different on Google and on YouTube. How people search on YouTube and how people search on Google are two different elements. They may not be vastly different, but they are different. So you could actually look for keywords on YouTube, and based on that, you would create a video. So when I create videos, I keep those in my mind before I actually do the title of the video, or even do the hashtagging and all of that. So they offer a dashboard and also offer recommendations. So you can actually import keywords from successful videos on YouTube on TubeBuddy. Also, what BuzzSumo and Social Blade does is actually give you a lot of insights into what's happening around with your post for your, let's say it's a blog post or a video, and what are the new ideas that you could probably tweak around with so that you create a better content which could engage with the audience. So it allows you for a better outreach and more sticky engagement for you with your audience, with your fans, with your followers. And of course, it allows you to communicate better with your audience and followers, promote your brand, promote your channel, promote your videos, and promote your blog posts and all that is happening that you're doing for your on the social media platforms. The third point and the last point is actually the media monitoring. Now, at the end of the day, you are managing a brand, and people talk to brands. So you must be able to listen to the customers, and you must be able to collaborate on content planning with other content creators. Now, solutions like Brand24 and Avario and Swada.io, they allow you to do all that, to monitor your social media mentions, keywords, hashtag management, and all of that. It's almost like a brand management, like I said. And you get real-time notifications on what's happening, what kind of action you need to take at that point in time. Do you need to respond to somebody? Let's say you are a coach and you need to respond to a particular query, and you can potentially convert that follower into a client. So you need to be on the ball from day one, and that's the reason why they offer you that real-time notification. Plus, obviously, you get customized reports. So if you're a paid customer, you would get customized reports on all these platforms. Now, these are the three tools, three aspects that I'm talking about today in this video. There are many more, and there are obviously many more softwares and tools to be used. I hope this is useful to you. And if you have further queries or have any other clarifications, please put all of that in the comments below, and I will respond to you on that. And so that's it, guys. So as you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and a technology marketing leader. with over 20 years of international experience. My LinkedIn URL will be in the description down below. Please connect with me. I work as a consultant with a lot of companies and startups. So if you want to engage me as your consultant, please check yes in the third field of the subscription form, whose URL will also be there in the description below. I'll reach out to you. I'll be happy to solve your business challenges so that your business could grow and have a significant upside in revenue. And please subscribe to my channel. Please like my channel. Please share my video. And you will find there will be a playlist somewhere on the screen, which would lead you to all my videos on social media. Please go and watch all of them. And in my next video, I'll talk about the next three aspects of social media marketing tools that you should be mindful of and you should know of. So that will be part 2. Till then, take care and wish you the best and see you soon. Bye-bye.